We all know that tire pressure monitoring systems, or TPMS, are all about the safety of the driver. Properly inflated tires provide stability, handling, and braking distance. But there's another feature that can't be overlooked: fuel savings. Let's discuss how TPMS checks can help save fuel for your customers. Imagine riding a bike with flat tires. It requires significantly more effort. The same applies to your customer's engine. Underinflated tires on a vehicle makes the engine work harder, resulting in increased fuel consumption. If your customers ask how often they should check tire pressure, tell them industry experts usually recommend checking once per month. Most newer vehicles even have TPMS built into the dash, so they can see their tire pressure with the click of a button. If they don't check it every month, at least recommend they do it before taking a long road trip, for example. The TPMS system's primary role is to oversee tire pressure during your journey. Enforced by the TREAD Act, this U.S. federal law mandates that the system promptly identifies and notifies the driver if the pressure in one or more tires falls at least 25% below the manufacturer's recommended cold inflation pressure within 20 minutes. If a tire experiences a sudden, significant loss of air, waiting for the full 20 minutes is impractical for ensuring safe driving conditions. That's why TPMS also keeps a close watch on rapid deflation, and when it detects this, the system doesn't wait for the next scheduled notification. Instead, it sends a signal to the computer, triggering a warning light without delay. Certain systems offer the ability to monitor tire pressure even when the wheels are stationary. Using an ultra-high frequency radio signal, these systems prompt TPMS sensors for pressure updates. This enables drivers to be informed of low pressure conditions before driving and ensures all four tires are safe to drive on. Regular TPMS checks can limit tire wear, protect suspension parts, and even reduce fuel costs. Make sure to remind your customers to consider how TPMS can enhance fuel efficiency and keep them safe driving down the road. If they see a TPMS light pop on, tell them to get it checked right away, as underinflated tires can cause a number of issues for them. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.